How to fix Midea Inverter AC P4 error code step by step. A Midea Inverter AC P4 error code indicates a problem with the inverter compressor drive, which can be caused by issues with the outdoor fan, a damaged inverter module, IPM, compressor problems, or incorrect refrigerant levels. To troubleshoot, first check for simple causes like low voltage, poor condenser cleanliness, or fan problems, and if the error persists, it likely requires professional inspection of the outdoor unit's components, including the compressor and control board. Here are some common causes of a P4 error. Inverter compressor drive. The P4 error often points to an issue with the compressor's drive system, such as the Intelligent Power Module, IPM. Outdoor fan. A malfunctioning or slow-rotating outdoor fan can prevent proper condenser cooling, leading to compressor overheating and the P4 error. Power supply. Low voltage, below 180 volts, can prevent the compressor from starting correctly. System blockage, leakage. A blocked high-pressure side, system air, or excess refrigerant can cause the compressor to work improperly. Compressor fault. The compressor itself may be damaged or have a faulty start relay. Outdoor PCB. The outdoor control board can have faults, such as loose connections or damaged components. Here are some troubleshooting steps. Perform a hard reset. Turn off the power to the unit for a few minutes, then turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches. Check the power supply. Ensure the unit is receiving the correct voltage. Low voltage can cause the error. Clean the condenser. Make sure the outdoor unit's condenser coils are clean and free of obstructions. A dirty condenser can cause overheating. Inspect the outdoor fan. Check that the outdoor fan is running properly and is not obstructed. It should spin freely. Inspect wiring. Check the cables connecting to the inverter compressor for any loose connections. Look for system-level problems. A qualified technician can check for other issues like refrigerant leaks or blockages in the system.